video today. We're going to be making something functional out of something that's not functional. So after we're done skating, we usually hang out here for a bit. Nobody wants to go home, that's fine. The problem is I get hungry, and we all can't just go inside the house and start eating. So I want to hang out here. Got a fire pit, this guy, but I think we need to make one that's more functional than that. Something that we can warm up some food, hang out around the fire. That way we can still chill and I won't be hungry. So this is what we're going to use to make the fire pit slash hamburger hot dog warmer upper thing. It's an old air compressor. Stopped working, I don't know how long ago. Really have no idea exactly how it's going to come out, but I'm sure it's going to come out cool. So let's get started. Go inside, and this is how we'll adjust it, the fire pit, so that it's level or solid, so it doesn't wobble, whatever. This is going to get hot, so that's the nice thing about using a welding hammer. The handle is radiated, so it'll cool off. It won't get as hot as everything else, so you can hold it without burning your hand. And if you need it for something else, you can use it for something else. And look at the gaps too.
How'd that feel? Holy shit. Was it gapped out? You tighten it up a little, huh? Tighten up that gap.
Yeah, and then we won't be able to move for like a week.
Oh yeah. Doubles. Cut right there, the first kink. One of your arms, the only one that got it. You're sloppy on it. I know, Richard, I know. Wow. Woo. Gosh darn right, he still got it. Yeah. That hurt.
That'll be time.
Yeah. Is there? Looks good. That's the nice sales pitch.
Whoa.
The one where it's full coast? Yeah. Wow.
It's not open yet, but you can fucking hold it.
The buns go up here.
Right. Top side style.
Top side.
Yeah.
John's hot buns.
We go pick that shit up.
It's more of a ceremony, you know?
We're just doing mustard on all of them.
We still do
Or you guys do your own condiments.
They had actually a stack of vinyls there. It was like, I'm like, what are these? He's like, you can just have them. I'm like, oh. It's like fluid knife. I'm like, oh.
Hey yo. I have a dog. There it is.
Mustard here.
Everyone.
Mustard here.
Get your mustard here.
Mustard here.
No dog for burn dog, right?
I'm doing that.
Look at that. Bun size too?
That's the knee.
Where's the mustard at?
Success. Tons of fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.
Can you see this right here? You see this? Look at it. Loaded with tube steak. This is the Hotdogomatic.
Is that the beef one?
What you're seeing here is the Hotdogomatic 5000S because it does tube steak and s'mores.